Hey, it's Adam, and I bet you don't notice anything new behind me. What? What is this white frame I have? Well, let me tell you what this is. This is the latest smart light kit that I bought, and you know I like lights. So for me to be able to turn these lights on and have some fun with it, oh yeah. Look at this remote. Look at all of the options. I mean, it's got all the primary colors. You can do red, green, blue. You can do white. You can do all of these different variations of colors. I mean, it is crazy. I'm just going through some of these. And then look, it has a bunch of different programs too. So it'll jump around, flash around, fly around. Oh my gosh, what about this? Quick, yeah. Slow, not so slow, but slower. It'll go to music too. So if you got boom, 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 chicka, boom, 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 boom. What are you doing? What are you doing? Boom, lamma, boom. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, boom. That one's not listening to me. What, boom, boom, boom. Neither is that one. Oh, hey, ho, every now and then, okay? It also has different, you can see flash settings, and that is, man, if you've got epilepsy, I'm sorry, you shouldn't be watching this. It has timers. It has timers on it, so you can shut it off after an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. And you can turn the voltage down, so you can put the brightness down if you want, or you can crank the brightness up to whatever you want to. And that's pretty cool. This is way more red than this, but this is neon, and this is LED. So I'll put it on white, and hopefully it's framing me well. It comes with these tubes, okay? So the tube is like this long. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tubes. It comes with 4 corner sections, and then it comes with this 1 T section right here, and these gold end caps. And what you do is you can snap them together in different formats, put it in different formats, but the only way you can put it up is with this sticky tape, and it actually ripped the paint off my wall, so I'm not very happy with that. Command strips, I probably recommend using command strips instead of this, because of that big paint rip. But anyway, yeah, be careful before you mount it. In the user's manual, you're probably going to want to read this first. It tells you how you should assemble it. So pick your pattern first, lay it out, check it on the wall, and then start with the end one and work all the way back to where the power. So this T here, that's the power one. That's where it plugs in. It has an on-off switch here that plugs into the wall. So, and it has a memory function, so whatever mode you left it on last is what it's going to turn on to. Has extra stickies. I think it's got like 2 or 3 stickies per segment. I'm only using 3 stickies right now to hold this whole thing up. But I'm just going to leave it in obnoxious mode for the rest of this video. It does have an app. You can control it with an app too if you don't want to carry around this really tiny remote right here with no buttons on it. So if you want to download the app, you can download the SyncKit app from the App Store for iOS devices, or it has a Google Play. Anyway, get the app. You can control it. It's got different scenes that you can pick. It's got, like umpteen million different versions of colors that you can find also. Man, so these snap into place. When you snap them, it's very difficult to get them back apart. You need a special tool, and they didn't include the tool. So you're gonna need 2 paper clips to pop out each segment. I knew I wanted a frame around me, so that's what I assembled that, and then I actually stuck it on the wall afterwards, and it was a little too high, so I pulled it off, and it ripped the paint off, but I don't know. Tell me what you think. And if you like it, pick one up. I think it's pretty cool. And you don't get just one tiny little remote with one button. You get 2 tiny remotes with only a couple buttons. if you don't want to use the app. You get this anyway, but you can use the app that has this really cool quick function thing and some 3M two-sided tape hooks to run the power wire if you need that. So 1010 dock, super cool, small, smart wall light kit. Not walleye, the fish. Wall light, smart wall light kit. So now you're stuck with it forever, and me. Jump. Fade 3.